Heroes!
Heroes!
Good morning, Wildcats, and it's a new day working remotely on campus. So let's see what day it is today. I'll give you a hint. It's one of my favorite days. Today is Friday, February 5th. And why do I like Fridays? Because I love our assemblies and I look forward to them every week. What about you? We still continue our Jump Rope for Heart campaign, and we'll have to get an update from Miss Rose. Maybe it'll be on this assembly, as to where we're at with our contributions. We do celebrate some birthdays over the weekend. We celebrate Evan and Olivia, so I want to shout out happy birthday to you. I hope it's a great day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For today is apple frudel, cheeseburger, and corn dog, but remembering that you can get meals for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday today. You can always look on the FUSD website for the menu. And I found a new quote, and I was thinking about February, and February is really about kindness, even though we've done that before, but there's lots of quotes about kindness, and it says, if we all do one random act of kindness daily, we just might set the world in the right direction. And at this point in time, if you would stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence.
Spacious skies forever waves up.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I do turn it over to Mr. Davis for our assembly. Take it away, Mr. Davis.
Hey, boys and girls, Miss Jones from the library. My shout out today goes to Miss Ember in Miss Harkey's class. Great job getting your Pizza Edge coupon. Keep those book reports coming in, boys and girls, and I will see you next week.
Hey, Mr. Davis here. I would like to give a shout out to a few students who always write me on Canvas every week, submitting things to put in the assembly, going above and beyond. So Bree in 5th grade, and Logan in 5th grade, and Kipton in 4th grade. Thank you so much for going above and beyond.
Ms. Fischel here. My shout outs this week go to kindergartners. All kindergartners are doing an amazing job. I just wanted to say a special shout out to Ms. Vallejos' class. I had 9 kindergartner, easy for me to say, 9 kindergartners do submissions right after class. 9, that was amazing. So they're really learning how to use Canvas and take pictures and submit. I really appreciate that. And then one special one to Miss Gerner's class, and Allison in particular, or should I say, this is me, Allison, as she is, I love that she does that because everybody's talking at once and I never know who's saying what. And so I really appreciate her always prefacing it with, this is me, Allison. So thank you guys. Awesome. That's amazing.
All right. Look at all that money. That's great. Awesome. This Miss D, I have a shout out to Melody in Miss Oliva's class. Incredible science participation. And then all my all my mission specialists in Mr. Pitchers and Miss Weeby's class. So thank you. And we will talk to you later.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Hi, Kinder. From all of us, we want to just say congratulations on making it to 100 days.
Happy 100.
Hi, Cromer, Ms. Edwards here, and I would like to shout out my friends who have been coming into me for our walk to read. So I have Ty, Grace, Zoe, Loki, Emily, Archer, Rosalie, and Ariza. And also Preston, Thaden, Jacob, Emery, Genesis, Harvey, and Kanan. Thank you for coming in and participating and practicing your reading skills. It's been awesome hearing all of you read. Keep it up.
Nice job. Hi, first grade, or Cromer. Hi, Cromer. I want to first shout out to Summer because we had some technical difficulties and she wasn't able to hear us, and she read all the directions I gave her on the whiteboard and worked through the morning and just was absolutely amazing. So thank you, Summer, for persevering and working through that. And then I want to shout out all these kids for working on Lexia. You guys all worked for over 60 minutes on Lexia. Incredible job. So Caleb, Jacob, Viviana, Sean, Chloe, Loki, Kanan, Summer, and James. Incredible job working on Lexia. Keep it up, you guys.
This week, I'd like to give a shout out first to my friend Jace. Jace, thank you so much for letting us share your recording of your poem yesterday with your class. It was so awesome to see how hard you worked on that and how fearless you were just to, try it out, and then that you were so confident to share it with us. We love seeing that. So thank you so much. And to Miss Emery, thank you so much for working so hard in math this week. It's been awesome to see your perseverance and that you're looking at all of your work and taking your time to make sure all of your answers are correct. So nice work, you guys. Thank you so much. Go for it, Miss Severs.
Oh, sorry, I was frozen. Hi, I would like to shout out Augie for working super hard and congratulate him on his new baby brother.
Cute. Have a great week, you guys.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Harkey, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Destiny. I'm so proud of how hard you have been working. Even if the internet kicks you out of Zoom, you get right back in and you are always willing to do your work. Great job.
I'm Miss Flower, and I want to shout out Jacob for always participating and being an awesome math magician. But yes, thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Oliva. I want to give a shout out to my whole class. You guys rocked it getting to your reading groups in the afternoons, and you're working so hard for me in the mornings. Thank you guys.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lee, and I'd like to give a shout out to my whole class as well for working really, really hard in small group reading groups this week. Thank you very much for all your effort and trying your best.
Miss Sharp here, and I wanted to give a great big shout out to Mila. Thank you so much for all that hard work you've been doing in our small reading groups. I love to see you trying to pronounce those hard words even when you get stuck on them. You don't give up, and I love to see all of that perseverance. Keep it up, Mila. Way to go. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Happy Friday, everybody. It's the third grade team here. I'm Miss Flanders, and my shout out this week goes to Xavier. Xavier's been working really hard this week, coming in the afternoons and really working with me on all of his work. So thank you, Xavier, for all of your hard work this week.
Happy Friday. I give my shout out to Kaden. Kaden, really great job working hard, even though sometimes it's tough on Zoom. So really good job.
And my shout out is going to our new student, Tanner. Tanner, welcome to our class. Thank you so much for all of your great participation this week and all of your hard work on assignments. I'd also like to shout out Troy, who's been coming to a lot of our lessons this week. It's been great seeing you, and thank you for participating in lessons.
My shout out this week is going to Cora, because even when math gets really confusing, she still gives 100% and works through each problem. So I'm really proud of you, Cora. Thank you.
My shout out this week is going to go to Tanner as well, because he's been new to the school and new to Canvas and all these things, and he's been doing really well and going above and beyond sometimes even too. So yeah, he's been doing really great.
I want to give my shout out to Josh this week for being awesome during my lesson on Monday. So yeah.
Yay, and Miss Edison here from our EPA class, and I would like to celebrate our entire class for working on some extraordinarily difficult math, persevering even when it was so hard that we were nearly in tears, but that was really super awesome. I appreciate it. And then one last shout out to Koa and Kian. You and your science conversation talking about the atmosphere and biosphere and their interactions was just so spot on, and you made me really proud. And I think you made Miss DiVittorio really happy because I saw a big fat smile. So yay team. And third grade, have a great weekend.
Happy Friday. This week I would like to give a shout out to Jude, who worked so hard every single day this week. He put his best effort into all of his assignments and on Lexia and Dreambox. So I'm really proud of your hard work this week, Jude. Keep it up.
Happy first Friday of February, Wildcats. Miss Will here with some Dreambox shoutouts. These are students who in the month of January completed 25 or more lessons and up to as many as 57 lessons in the month of January. Kipton, Kendra, Ryder, Weston, Tavia, Carter, James, Spencer, Everett, Josie, and Zoe. I would like to give an extra special shout out to a Dreambox warrior who this week challenged themselves to more than double the lessons that they completed in the month of January. So this first week of February alone, Weston has completed 56 lessons in Dreambox. Wow, way to challenge yourself and reach those goals that you set for yourself. Have a good weekend.
Hello, fifth grade, it's Miss Weeby. I wanted to shout out my class that has been working hard in Dreambox math. Thank you for working hard, working on your fractions.
Oh, hi, fifth grade. I wanted to shout out my friends that presented this week, presented their science fictional narrative. You guys did awesome. I have Hayden, Brianna, Alexis, Lyris, Eli, Evan, Dalen, Wyatt, Aisha, and Hannah. Great job.
Hello, friends. I wanted to shout out Wyatt and Miss Weeby's class for having his video on as much as possible and always being ready to participate when called on.
Hey, it's Mr. Pitcher, and I wanted to shout out folks who did an excellent job presenting their science fiction narratives in my class, and that's Jasmine, Hannah, Jamin, Remy, and especially to Ethan for presenting. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Apana. I just wanted to shout out all of Mr. Pitcher's class for getting on Dreambox and working on that. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work.
Hi guys, it's Miss Viola. I just wanted to shout out the whole fifth grade for being so welcoming and allowing me to have a great first week at Cromer.
Good morning from Mr. Hernandez. I want to give a shout out to all my students that presented this week. Some impressive science fiction narratives from Kyler, let's see, Dylan B, CJ, Kaya, Don, Aiden, Madison, Dylan W, Fallon, and I'd like to give a special shout out to Nathan and Logan, who just never quit working. You all are amazing. Thank you.
Great job for the grade.
It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do I. It don't mean a thing. All you gotta do is sing. Do I. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you got. Oh, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do I. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do I. Don't mean a thing, all you gotta do is sing. Do I. It makes a difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you got. Oh, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Do I. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you've got. Don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Don't mean a thing, all you gotta do is sing. Makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you've got.